magandang laro ito. Sinong manalo niyan? Going to final. Manalo o matalo? Di ba, Fred? Hindi pa no? Manalo o matalo? Hindi going to final.
Sigurado na sa final si number 1.
O, number 1, kung manalo, sigurado sa final. I mean, bola sa Kuya G. Nandoon sa number 10. Number 9, People. At 3. Back to number 10. Pinasa sa wala. Bola sa All-Star. Number 21, tumira. Good shot. Two points. Number 3. Not good. Sibol. All Stars ball. All points. Masuk. Not good. Foul number 3. Number 3 Kimura. Good shot. Number 3 sa Kuya G. Go, huli. Number 3. Back. Sayang, double dribble. Not counted. Bola sa All Stars, number 10 dribble. Tumira ng 3 points. 21. Goal shot. Ang score, 6-2.
Score lahat early ah.
At yung score sa 21. Okay. Not good.
Saan bigyan yan ah?
All Stars ball. Good shot. Ang score ito. Three points by number 3. Five points. 3 points, right?
Ganda ng ngiti na ah. Counted, counted eh.
Counted. Pero pag foul. Bonus true.
Pang highlights yung Brad ah. O isang ngiti pa dyan.
Kasi sumalapit eh.
Wala
score 12-5. Good shot. Ang score 7-12. Lamangan 12. Number 10 all-star dribble. Pass to 21. Good shot. 21 early. Violation. Kamera. Isa sa kalaban. Not good. Tumira. Hindi napasok. Counted. 16. Bonus throw. Rebound. Good shot. Ang score 17-7. Score. Not counted travel. Number 7. Also.
Michael, 2 fouls.
Not good. Thirteen foul out. Kuya G. Foul number 5 All-Star. Good shot. Ang score 10-9. Number 10 all-star dribble. Pass to 21. Not good. Hindi naman sa all-star. Balik. Foul number 7. Warning for penalty ang all-star. First stroke. Good shot. O siya, 22 ang score. Time is over.
Sa Kuya JJ, si Tony lang ang tumitira.
Alright. 22. Pastor number. Ready to. 3 point. Out. Oh, bonus throw. Oh, ang score 13-22. Kuya G. Good. Yul, up to 13. Uli. Tutuin. Time out. All star. Amen. Erden, pass to Titino. Pass to number 3. Good shot. Number Titino, pass to number 13. Dribble. Number 29. 29 sa first team foul. Second team foul. Foul number 15. Not good. Castro. One shot. Ang score, 55-10. Uli na naman. Nice. 17-25 ang score. Foul number 22. First team foul. Kuya Jim. 3 points. 20-25 ang score. Lamang ang All-Star.
5 points lang po ang laman.
Double violation, overtapping. No. Referee's decision is good. Bola 21. Oh, nahuli na naman. Good shot. 22-25 ang score. Lamang, lead na lang ang lamang. 13, dribble sa All-Star. Ano yun? Foul? Time out. 13 foul ang Kuya G. Ang score 25-22, nag-anak ng kalamig.
Tanot.
Oh, ayan naman. Back to the board. 22-25 ang karasingit ng kaligid. Wala sa All-Star. Not good. Not sa 20. Okay naman. Ang pass-swing naman. Grabe. All-Star dribble. Rudy. Oh, father. Oh naman. Ano naman nangyari ito? Oh naman.
Lamang na po.
21 All-Star dribble. Foul naman number 3. All-Star. Warning for penalty rip. Oh, free throw.
Dodi, second foul.
Donnie, second foul. Good shot. Ang score dahil. Coach shot. Namang half shot ang All-Star. Good. Internship na naman. Nice pass. 29. All-Star. Bola Sipon. Good. Good shot. Good shot na naman. All-Star. Foul. Third foul. Penalty rin. Penalty rin. Penalty. No more out. Taco, third foul. Third foul. Taco, third foul.
Puro kay Ernie Marco.
Last shot, Vic. Salam, 32-29 ang score.
Nakabit ko lang yung wife.
Kalaban nila 7-8.
Oh, 7-8. Thank you. May laro ba kayo mamaya?
9 o'clock.
Gabi pa, ano?
Late.
Pero medyo ano yung mga teams sa Sabado eh. No, match lang, no? Yung Linggo.
Mga 4 super teams.
Meron malakas yung nakalaban nila, Mark. Yung bago yun eh, yung
Culture,
Pituran.
mga bago.
Lakas eh, no? Muna ako. Thank you.
Oh, timing. First step foul, ang All-Star. Retro by number 6 sa Kuya G. Twin. Oh, napasok yun. Nangitan yung lungan. Oh, last throw. Pasok. Ang score 21-2. Laman ang All-Star o 1 point. Number 10 dribble, pass to number 5, back to number 10. Tumira 3 points, not good, rebound, na doon sa number 10, dribble. Siya na naman. Gandang pass point. 21 dribble, All-Star, dalawang, foul number 8. Si Kanpal? O si Michael? Si Kan. Third foul, Michael. Number 12. Rebound. Oh, 21, rebound. Back. Backpack nakatunog sa steam kick. Bola sa good releasing Kuya G Uban. Kuya G is foul. Dribble, number 10 sa Kuya G. Pass to number 7. Back to number 9. Pass on. Foul? Number 12. Second team foul ang All-Star. Not good. Second foul number 12. Last throw. Not good. Rebound sa number 7. Huli sa 21. Okay, 3 points. Wala pasok. Huli sa number 10. Rebound number 10. Number 15. Number 12. Hindi pasok. Ano na nangyari? Siya, naman na naman. Balik! Foul number 12. Third foul. 13 team foul. 21. Sinari.
12.
Foul.
Cover 12.
Foul.
21! Sino ba? 21 na eh!
Early first
Tatlo na lang ha?
First foul.
First foul early.
First
Not good. Last throw.
Ayaw palabasin eh, oh. Hindi.
Substitution Henrik. Meron substitution Henrik. Okay. Ready, in.
Uy, kuha!
Good shot. Tie score na naman. Mula sa All-Star. 10 dribble sa All-Star. Pass to number 10. Wala daw. Balik sa number 10. Tumera off. Dribble. Balik sa 13. Tumera ng 3 points. Pasok. 37-34 ang score.
Kaya pala gusto pumasok, init na init.
Lambert in dribble. Pass to number 15. Pass to 29. Not good. Only naman ang bola. Nandoon sa 15.
Ang back of all.
Bola sa All-Star.
London. Bench.
Hindi natin ilipat na natin.
Number 10. Full start. Tomiro. Not good. Rebound spinning. Rebound number 15. Number 7. To number. Ang ganda ng pass up. 36-27 ang score. 21 dribble 21. Foul number. Pushing foul number. It. Warning for penalty. Oh, di ba na eh. 10 foul. Warning for penalty ang. Oh, penalty rep.
Sino ba? Happening?
Time out ang.
Michael Bonpao.
Oh, warning si Michael. Warning si Esteban. Timing! Oh. Timing. Ang score 37-36. Grabing laro ito. First go. Good shot. Last go. Good shot. Balik naman sa tatlo. Oh, bola sa All-Star. Number 10. Oh, holy! Offense! 38-39 ang score. 13 dribble. Oh, number 10. Gomera. Not good. Only is 13. Number 9. Dribble. Number 9. Pass to number 10. Not good siya. Okay na naman. 43-28. Tama ng 5. Oh! Uli! Nakpo! Oh, pituan naman. quarter tayo. Time in, last quarter.
Oh, may shot na po tayo.
Ano na tayong shot na? Shot. 41-45 ang score. Dito, tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Balik naman, tumira na naman. Wala gyapon. Rebound number 7. So, mayroong foul. 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 Kirsten foul.
Castillo, second foul. 14 seconds.
Nine seconds. 5 seconds. Finish. 2. Clock. Mayroon na tayo shot clock. Quarter na tayo. Number 9 dribble. All-star ball. 22. Pass to number 18. Tumira. Not good. Ball is at number 7. Number 15 dribble. Dribble number 15. Wait shot na naman. Half point na lang. Double dribble. Sabrip. Ang score 45-44. Laban ang 45. O bola sa Kuya Nick. Mira na naman. Good. Good shot. Ulit na naman. Oh, foul number 3. Warning. Second team foul.
Castro, fourth foul.
Good shot. Oh, last no. Not good. Rebound number 8. Dribble. Number 3 dribble. Good shot, 2 points. 47 for the Hero na naman. Not good. Yari. Not good. Oh. Substitution rep. Graduate number 8. Number 8, graduate. Second team foul ang light. Second team foul sa ang dark. Number 5, tumira. Nakasunod. Oh. Ang foul. Number 7.
Marshall, second foul.
Not 13 team foul ang mayroong foul. Number 24. 29? 29.
29, second foul.
Good shot. Last throw. Good shot. 50-47 ang score. Outed. Ginapaw. Early 21 ikat.
Early, second foul.
Warning for penalty under. 13 foul ang Kuya G. Salay ko rin. Good shot. Lama-lama. Mayroong foul, number 10. Warning for penalty ang direct. Sabi yan rin. Ready?
Yada, first foul.
Kuya G. Good shot. Oh, last throw. Shot. Good. Ganda na rin. Oh, mayroong foul. Inadirect. Oh, Marshall.
Marshall, third foul.
Third foul, Marshall. Oh, free throw. Good. Last throw. Good shot. 6 points ang lamang. Bounce sa That's good. Good point. I believe 46 seconds. Twenty-seven seconds. Bola. One point 9 seconds. Penalty. Last throw.